in here.
Okay. Alright.
Hi guys, welcome back. I've got a friend in the kitchen today and I'm going to teach her a little bit about baking. We're going to make a lemon meringue pie. So this is Danny.
Hi everybody.
Danny's a celiac, so I've made a gluten-free lemon meringue pie and she's going to try and replicate what I've done. How do you feel about it?
I mean, it looks really nice.
Do you think you'll be able to manage that?
No. Well, I'm going to do a little disclaimer. I'm not really a baker, but I do cook really well. So I've got a famous potato salad, world famous potato salad that maybe
it'll
feature.
Oh yeah, we can put it on the channel. Okay. You decide which.
Oh,
What
oh
do
my
you
gosh,
want?
I like this one. You've got so many. Can you get it for yourself?
Well, I'm not going to do.
You're not going to do anything. Cool.
So I'm gonna tell Danny what to do verbally only, so I'm not gonna get involved. So we'll see how she goes.
Not fucking crazy.
Just a couple of lemons.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to make this lemon curd. So to start off, you're going to need 160 grams of lemon juice. So if you put your cup on the scale.
Do I need to push a button?
Yep, turn it on.
Okay.
And then put it on so it starts off at 0.
That's 93.
Okay, press the 10 button.
Okay.
There you go. And then cut your lemons and use the juicer.
Right. Crikey, this will be the day I chop off my finger. I've never used one of these before.
Yeah, upside down. Yeah, perfect.
Oh. You can use your hands if you don't have one of these.
That's right.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, it's really good, eh? And now you need 2 egg whites. So you can crack the egg whites.
Do the hand thing.
Do whatever you want. Right.
I'm going to show you guys a little trick. Alright, so you can just use your fingers for this. So, chuck it in your hand, give it a little shake, and Bob's your uncle. What do I do with this?
You actually need to put that in there as well. I got it wrong.
And
You need 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. So we've got the whole egg.
Alright.
2 whole eggs.
Yep.
Now we need 2 yolks.
Alright. We'll do the little trick. Now shake, shake, shake. This one's a bit of a sticky one. Jesus. 3 hours later. 1. And this is a baby egg. Oh, almost got away on me. And 2. Is this how you do your eggs?
No.
Okay. How much of this do I need?
We need 220 grams of sugar.
Ooh, she's sweet.
You need to add 85 grams of butter.
Okay, can I just plop it in?
Yeah.
How much?
85. Okay, so now we're going to blend it up. Get your small pot that's on the stove.
Okay.
And pour in your mixture.
Wait.
It seems quite lumpy and all separated, but that's totally normal and it's going to come together on the stove.
That's good. Alright.
So just put that on a low heat and it's going to simmer for about 5 or 6 minutes until it starts bubbling, and then when it's bubbling and thick you can take it off and pop it in the fridge. Alright, and so we need to roll this out about 3 centimetres bigger than our tart tin there. So get to work. Keep that. Hold that at the top of your pastry, and roll the pastry over the rolling pin, and then keep rolling it gently so it all comes onto the rolling pin. And then you put your dish over there, and you roll it back over top.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh,
Beautiful.
perfect.
Basically, you want to lift. No. I can't do it. So lift up the edges of the pastry and tuck it under, so like fold it under.
Like this?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. All the way around.
Yeah. And you want to kind of tuck it up and under so it's sitting on top of the dish. From the inside of the pie you're going to kind of pinch, and from the outside you're going to push your thumb in, and that creates a crimp. So put your fingers on the inside of the dish. No, use your other hand. Now turn it sideways. Nope, so it's flat. Like, do what I'm doing. Oh my god. Like this. There you go. And now take your other hand and push your thumb into there. And then it makes little crimps.
Oh wow.
There you go.
Oh, I've never done it. It's got my little finger
Yeah.
shapes in there. Rustic.
And just spread that around in there, way down the pastry.
Wow.
And then we're going to put that whole thing in the oven for 25 minutes. So now you need to take the rice out. Put the pie back in the oven for another 20 minutes so that the base cooks through. And now we're going to make the meringue. This bowl you're going to measure out your sugar. So it's going to be 500 grams of sugar.
500.
400 grams of egg whites.
Okay.
So take your whisk and your bowl over to the pot, and when it starts bubbling, or now, yep, it's alright, you can put it in. Okay, here comes the hard part. You've got to replicate my pie.
Oh, that's already ruined, isn't it?
So, start with your curd.
Pour it in.
Yep, got your spatula there.
Oh, that's nice and thick, eh?
Just go grab your meringue. Yep.
This one?
Yeah, so just pile it on up. And then you've got your little spatula there that you can use to make it pretty.
Yeah, because I'm going to do a nice design on this one. Baby's bottom.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Okay, let's get the blowtorch.
I'm proud, eh?
Go.
Oh, that.
And then spin your table at the same time.
Oh, this is cool, man.
Oh. Yeah, let's try it.
Oh, it's bound to be amazing.
Mmm,
Oh, mate.
that's really
It
good.
is heavenly. Oh.
Mmm, you did a really good job. Should be
10
so
out of
proud.
10.
So that shows you guys, anyone can do it. Baking isn't that hard. You just need to follow the instructions. And practice makes perfect. So I hope you enjoyed watching Daddy cook today. It's been really fun.
It's been great.
And we're just going to go and eat the rest of this pie.
See ya.